From Australia, Melbourne, she came to GLOJAS for the SMART FUE technique, lowering hairline with the oval shape.
Hello, so I've come all the way from Melbourne, Australia to GLOJAS clinic, and I've decided on an oval shaped hairline, and Professor Dato Dr. JasG has designed a wonderful hairline for me, and I'm looking forward for the final results.
The design has been drawn. Now comes the most important part, the surgical planning and the surgical organization of the graft. 1,500 grafts will be placed inside here to give her the natural result.
So I just finished my hair transplant here at GLOJAS clinic using the SMART FUE technique. I got my perfect oval hairline created by Professor Dato Dr. JasG, and I thank GLOJAS team for their hard work. The procedure was pain-free and very smooth, and I'm excited for the final results.